Step 1. Flush out boiling water. If the tap was recently used, run the cold water for 10 seconds to clear any residual boiling water and avoid the risk of burns. Step 2. Power off the boiler. Switch off the boiler using the power button on the digital screen, and then turn off the main power socket as well. Step 3. Isolate the water supply. Close the cold and hot water isolation valve located underneath the sink. This will prevent water from flowing during the replacement process. Step 4. Remove the weight. Find the black pull-out hose marked 7, unclip and remove the black weight. Step 5. Disconnect the hose. Press both buttons on the white 3-way connector to release hose 7. Peel off the label. Unscrew the spray head and pull the hose up through the tap. Step 6. Install the new hose. Remove the label from the new hose. Feed it down through the tap body and reattach the spray head. Step 7. Reconnect everything. Push the hose into the 3-way connector until it clicks. Then re-clip the connector into its bracket. Reattach the black weight, ensuring there are no kinks or twists in the hose. Step 8. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. Then switch the main socket back on, followed by the digital screen power button. And you're done. The black hose is successfully replaced and ready to use.